Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put dot border to text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box, then write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Increase the font size. Now I am applying the bold effect and align the text. You want to put the border dot, go to the shape format menu, select the text outline option and choose your color. Go back again and increase the white. Now I am select the outline again and select the border and choose dot. You can add the square dot or round dot. Now we can see we put dot border to text easily. You can select the fill color. You can change the fill color of text. Now we can see we put dot border to text easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.